In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can close apps on a MacBook Air. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few different methods to go ahead and do this. We're going to be going over every single one of them, and I'm going to use Google Chrome as an example for this video. As you can see, the app is open up, and you could tell this by going onto the dock, and you'll see a small little dot underneath it. I know it may be a little hard to go ahead and see, but essentially, if you see that little dot on there, that means the app is open, and what you could do is just right click on that and then hit quit, just like so, and it'll go ahead and close that app. However, this is not the only way to do this. So for example, let's say the app isn't closing normally even after trying this. Go ahead and hit Command Option and Escape, and it's going to take you to a page. It looks something like this. Hit the app that you're trying to close, hit force quit, and you'll be good to go. It'll go ahead and close that app. Another way to do this is through your activity monitor. You can open up this by hitting Command and space. This is going to bring up Spotlight Search, and then from here just type in activity monitor. Open it up, find Google Chrome on here. It'll make it a little bit easier if you just search for it. And then from here, select it and hit this little X stop sign button right here, and it'll close or force quit that app as well. Those are the three main ways to do this. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.